Now, what shall I have for a snack? I know, crispy chicken wings. Okay, so we start with these lovely chicken wings here. I've had these soaking in buttermilk for about an hour, giving them a little turn every now and again just to make sure it's all coated nicely. And this won't really help with crispiness, I don't think so anyway, but it will keep the meat inside nice and tender. So I'll leave the chicken wings in the buttermilk to soak for a little bit longer while I make up the mix that's going to coat the outside. Now we'll start obviously with a bowl. Now into this bowl I'm going to put 1 cup of just general all-purpose flour, and then I'm going to put in half a cup of corn flour. There we go. That helps to make it really nice and crispy on the outside of the chicken skin. Then I can go in with a teaspoon of garlic salt, in that goes 1 teaspoon of, I spilled some of that, chili powder, in that goes 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, in that goes, and I say just half a teaspoon of salt. These are all your regular things, but I don't want to put too much salt in because we've got the garlic salt in there anyway, so pop that in. Give this a good mix. There we go, that should do. So the next step is to place our chicken wings into this flour mixture, and because it's got the buttermilk on the outside of the wings, needless to say, it will make some good adhesion of the flour and the spices to the chicken wings. We'll give those a bit of a turn in there. Make sure it's all coated, and if it isn't, turn them again. Then it's off to the air fryer. And here it is, it's a Tefal Actifry. I've had this for some time now, and it served me well. Now, for the purposes of doing these chicken wings, these crispy chicken wings, I'm going to remove the paddle because we won't be needing that. I find that if you leave the paddle in and it keeps turning anything that's coated in flour or any sort of batter or anything, it tends to scrape it off. So I take that out, and then in we can go with the chicken wings. But first I'm going to give the inside a little bit of a squirt with some olive oil, just to help prevent any sticking, of course. And then we can shake the flour off the chicken wings as best we can and place them inside nice and neatly. If I turn those over and get that crispiness on this side first, and then I will be turning these over halfway through. There we go, get the flour off, or most of it. And then there's the last one. So now we can close the lid, and I'm going to let these cook for about 15 minutes to start with, and then check them out and see just how they're going. Off we go. So we've had 15 minutes, we'll see what we've got. Now, as you can see, there's some powdery, some floury coating still there. Now, a good idea is to give that a little bit of a squirt with some olive oil, and as you can see, it makes it go away. I'm going to give these a little bit longer because I don't think 15 minutes was quite enough. Perhaps another 5, and then we'll see what we've got then. So there they are, cooked right through, and you can just see how brown and crispy they are. And yeah, are done. So we've just got to take them out now. And there we go, guys, look, lovely and crunchy. Can you see that? Look at the lovely colour. Let's have a little taste test, shall we? Delicious, crunchy skin, succulent on the inside, just how I wanted it to be. So that's going to be my special treat for me. Thanks once again for watching another video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. And a big thank you to everybody who watches, who subscribes and gives me a thumbs up. And I shall see you again in the next video. So, bye for now.